We are located in the most awesome place in the city of Dayton. We took an old factory, emptied it out, built a bunch of ramps, and we have multiple floors of features to ride over. It's a blast, and that's just one of the many things we do here. My name is Mike Bissig, and I am a graduate of Wright State University. Year 2000, I graduated with an undergrad, 2005 with a master's. Wright State has been awesome from the day I started, still to now, the skills that I use in my everyday life. And what I do every day is really cool. I run an indoor bicycle park. We're putting smiles on families' faces, and it's an incredible space that to be honest with you, Wright State helped me from the very beginning to give me the skills to do this. You could ride your bike inside here and not repeat a line and probably get, I'm gonna say, 1.5 miles to 2 miles. It can look daunting because it's different than what a lot of people have ridden. By the second or third time they're here, they're riding almost every single feature we have. You know, the skills that I got from Wright State and as being a musician of just being able to communicate with the public and doing everything from interviews to radio ads to just dealing with 100 people a day is something I don't mind. I don't mind speaking in public. All of that I sort of learned and honed at Wright State. To be honest with you, I think I was afforded more opportunities going to Wright State than I probably would have at any of the other music schools that I looked at. And I was able to perform a whole lot. I was able to put myself in situations where I could be successful and get real world kind of skills even as an undergrad. And so here we are with a killer indoor bike park and bicycle shop, and it's been great.